Guru means, so one small story at the end I should tell you. His name is called a saint called Karatala. The saint name is called Karatala. It is a Kruta Yuga. So in Kruta Yuga, where the purity is there, where one can see the gods and gods and human interface exists, and there is no barriers created. All of them they fall because the entropy of the human is so less, so they can see the gods. So this monk, this rishi, this saint Karatala, and so he is an ardent devotee, and so he is a samadhi, and he is looking for self-actualization, self-realization. So who knows this self-realization, self-actualization? There is a called Brahma, creator. There is a called a Vishnu, and there is a called a Rudra. And so these are called triology. They are called, so born, sustenance and decay. That's how it goes. And he went to Brahma. So you are the creator of this, but you know, and I want self-realization technique, self-actualization technique. He said, if I have, so if you are staying with me, you are always in the womb. You are always in the womb. You are always the seed. You can never grow. You will remain at the seed level only. So I am not that. My level is only seed, in the level of consciousness. You may be thinking, but I am only, I am not the death. I am only a seed. So you are mistaken. I am only a seed. I am only beginning of the time. I only represent the beginning of the time. But in the beginning of the universe, nothing is there. Beginning of the universe, nothing is there. Is there anything? These TVs are not there, these comforts are not there, and these elements are not there. What he will do? That's what he told. Is it so? It is such a dull. No, it is not even a singularity. It is only one to face. I am just born. So when universe Big Bang I am born. I am cut away from the singularity and nor any manifestation to enjoy. I am just born. It is completely inertia. Total inertia it is. Potential energy it is. What is born is. Moment of inertia is born. I represent the moment of inertia. Oh my God. But you are the first one created, sir. Yes. But my role is, through me you can't reach this. From white hole you can never reach black hole. Event horizon. White hole is different. Black hole is different. He said, I am only origin of the white hole. When you dissolve your body, you come to this level, you get stuck up here. From here the black hole, this is the field of singularity. And the way to enter is somewhere the black hole has to open and you will reach the singularity. From the white hole you will never reach. That's why your heart, when you reach the least quantum state of energy, the singularity opens. So then you make a river journey, you realize singularity. So what Brahma said is absolutely right. At the maximum when you dissolve in the meditation, you realize, you go to the level of the Brahma, Vishwarupaya Vai Namo Namaha. That's where the born, that's all. Vishnu, then he went. Best is, if you want to understand the manifestation, the best thing for you is enjoyment or entertainment, balance, life, self-realization, self-actualization. Enlightenment means Vishnu is, he is the protector of dharma, so go to him. With great difficulty, he is my boss, he said. So he went to Vishnu. Vishnu is said, all wealth. He married to all kinds of the wealth. and he administers all kinds of the sustenance and wealth, the energy. He's a complete sustenance, complete entertainment field of complete evolution he represents. Entire. So now the universe is born here and he represents entire what we are along the timeline. All galaxies. That's what Vishnu has shown, And he is everything, all the galaxies, all the universes, and everything in entire evolution. And from here to, from Brahma to, and the current line he has shown everything what exists. Oh my God, Vishnu, how great you are. And but sir, can you teach me self? Hey, I can give you the best entertainment. I am only a protector of Dharma. What is Dharma, sir? Hare, you should go and ask. You have to burn this to reach that level. I am only a part of the present. You have to live. He said he is only past, beginning. I only represent the present. I am only way. Only through me. But through me, what you have to go? Next level, you have to fire. To burn. Completely consume. I only represent the present moment. You have to live in me. But the technique, I do not know. How the present knows it is a present? Then who knows? The one who knows, the one who lives in me, and the one who knows goes beyond. It is a fire. It is a fire, it is a fire. And he asked, have you seen my body? Yes, sir. It's black. How is your body white? Have you got fire? How my body burnt? Black, isn't it? So the one who burns you, there you go. That's why I am burned. That's why I am enlightened. I am carrying the Dharma. So whoever is burnt, they look black. Remember, I am looking black, but who burnt me, Shiva. Go to the Shiva. He burns. He is the wisdom. I am only present. Staying in me, you need to have a wisdom. And wisdom is to burn. You see, myself got burnt and I am so happy. I have seen that Vishnu and Thandava and I got burnt and I got enlightened. Vishnu said, so where do I? But be careful. He is not like me, entertaining and cool, so quiet. Here wine is there, whiskey is there, woman is there, and everything is there. All plots are there, all flats are there. But that is not going to be like that. And so even approaching him is very difficult. Approaching him itself. Do you know the sun? Yes, I know, sir. Can you go to the sun? It's very hot. No? He is nothing compared to this fellow. Are you ready to get burnt? He is afraid. That is only the way, sir. Yes, that is only the way. To extinguish your fuel is only the way. He is only the way. Oh my God. That is only the way to get burned. There is no other go. Without burning, there is no other. Without burning the fuel, there is no way to experience the singularity without removing the duality. The only way to remove the duality is your future of singularity is here. Go. And he went as he is approaching itself, he is getting burnt. And skin is becoming, like in Himalayas. Who is burnt? Whoever meditates in Himalayas, the bodies become burnt. Have you seen yogis in Himalayas? Not lamas in the monasteries in the Tibet. But have you seen in the Pahad, Himal region, means where ice mountains are there. Have you ever seen the yogis? Their color is like a charcoal. Black color. In the white color you will see a black moving, a black moving. Then you have to catch hold of the black, hold on to him. In white Himalayas, you see a black object moving. A white object means white bear it is. A black, only one black thing moves in Himalaya. Everything is white there. Only one black thing moves in Himalayas. This person name is called Yogi. He doesn't wear any clothes. Whether it is a minus 30 degrees Celsius, whether it is plus 30 degrees Celsius, scorching sun, UV radiation, highest. Why is body turned? Highest UV radiation. So charcoal, burnt. What is this? Why he is burnt? He is in Kailasa, near Shiva. What he did is. Rama. Do you know Rama? Karatala? He is going to come in Treta Yuga. Yes, I heard, because they know the future. Yes, he is going to be black color. Do you know Shiva? Yes, black color. Do you know me? Yes, black color. Without getting burnt, you can't go to the dark. Black hole only opens when you are black. Understood? Understood. So there is no other gosa, only to get burnt. That is only the way to remove your karma, fuel. We are only creators of the karma. He is only the destroyer of the karma. If your goal is to enjoy, you stay. No, sir, I don't want. I have not come here. It's a Kruta Yuga. I am looking for self-realization. Then go to Kruta. Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. He is a Nirodha. Brahma Tattva, Vishnu Tattva, Rudra Tattva. Go. And he went. Rudra. He is getting burned. Harsh it's becoming as he is becoming close. But he could withstand and he could burn all the impurities. Third eye, wisdom eye, is called Rudra. And he got Karatala, understood who is Brahma and who is Vishnu, who is Rudra. And then he chose and Rudra. And third eye, he sat in Himalayas, meditated. He got completely enlightened. He has seen the entire Rudra, Vishnu, Brahma field, and beyond he went to singularity. Purusha. Rudra is also called Purusha. That's absoluteness he explained.